See the second problem. So the question is given to you here. Construct the triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 8 centimeters and angle B is equals to 45 degrees and AB minus AC is equals to 3.5 centimeters. So from this what you can observe? You can observe that AB length is more than the AC. AB minus AC whenever it is given, you can consider that AB is greater than AC. So rough figure you construct here like this. A, B, C. So BC length is 8 centimeters and AB minus AC is given. So AC का equal length from here to here you take one point and D. तो AB minus AC ये दोनों equal length है. So when we are taking this equal length, these two are equal is nothing but इसका CD का perpendicular bisector में A होगा. CD का perpendicular bisector में A होगा. So what you have to do here? D is a point here it is taken such that AB minus AD should be equals to 3.5. AB minus AC is given. AB minus AD construct. So D point you will get. After getting the D point, CD join and CD perpendicular bisector you construct. Then it meets a point at A. So then this is a way to construct it. So first, what you have to do? Let us take the ruler and BC 8 centimeters you need to construct. So little bit downwards I'm taking here 8 centimeters. And after drawing the line segment immediately BC and immediately 8 centimeters. You have to write. After that, at the place of B, you need to draw a ray which makes an angle of 45 degrees. So steps also, these are only steps. Draw a line segment BC is equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, so draw a line segment BC is equals to 8 centimeters and make an angle CBX. CBX is equals to 45 degrees. So 45 degrees angle, take the protractor and please placing the protractor is very much important here. So 45 degrees, it is inner scale. The inner scale 45 degrees, you are going to get it here. This is a 45 degrees. Mark this point and join these two. Using the protractor itself, you can join like this. Still more, if you want, you can extend still more. Like this. So this is 45 degrees. The ray is CBX. Next, what to do here? We need to mark a point D on BX ray such that PD length should be equals to 3.5. So 3.5 centimeters should be taken into consider. And other point, see here, this is 0, 3.5 centimeters. At the place of 3.5 centimeters, you need to mark the point. And this point, you name it as a D. So now, join C to D. C and D, you have to join. You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the CD. Perpendicular bisector of the CD, which cuts this BX at a point A. So perpendicular bisector, how do you draw? D as a center, more than half radius, two arcs should be there. More than half means 3. More than PC length also should not be taken. C से कम होना है थोड़ा सा. So next, this one as a center, here one arc, and this one as a center. Let us assume here arc. See, you can see that perpendicular bisector approximately will be in what place? In that place, arc should be drawn. Arc should be drawn in that places like this. So approximately it comes like this. And C as a center. 2 arcs. Like this. So after drawing the 2 arcs and join that intersecting points. These two intersecting points you have to join. This and this. See, this is perpendicular bisector and it meets at a point A. This is the point A. So now our required triangle is what here? Yes, C को join करना है. Sorry, scale use करके join करना. Otherwise, join AC. ABC is our required triangle. If you want, you can see that AB minus AC is given. See, AB length is here 13.5 and AC length is 10 centimeters. So 13.5 minus 10 centimeters, 3.5. So obviously we will get it. And construction steps also, it's not a very difficult to you to write the construction steps. Construction steps be, it's not very difficult. Steps, construction steps. Draw a line segment BC is equals to 8 centimeters. BC is equals to 8. Okay, simple language, simple sentences. Draw a ray BX such that angle CBX is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, third one, mark a point T on BX. On the ray BX, you have to mark a point T such that, how you have to mark it? Such that, can anyone say? Such that BD length should be is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Yes. Tell me. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So BD is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Then after marking a point D, join CD and draw its perpendicular bisector, which cuts BX at A concept. So next, join A to C. Otherwise, join AC. A and C join AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is required triangle. This is construction steps. And coming to the justification, how do you justify that this is satisfying here? So justification you can write here. See here, whenever you observe that this is a perpendicular bisector. So if you consider this point as some other E point, you consider triangle AEC, triangle AED are congruent triangle by SAS congruence, not RHS congruence. So from that you can say that AC length is equals to AD length. We have taken actually given that AB minus AC is equal to 3.5, but we have constructed BD as a 3.5. Furtherly, what is the justification you need to give? What is the justification for that? That you need to give. That is only we are going. So by SAS congruency, triangle AEC is congruent to triangle AED. Therefore, by CPCT, you can say that AC is equals to A. Okay, AC is equals to, so given AB minus AC is equals to 3.5, AB minus AD is equals to 3.5, BD is equal to 3.5. AB minus AD, so BD 3.5. So actually given this one, but we are not constructed like that. We have taken some other. So for this justification is this. Justification is nothing but that. Did you understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next problem, if you see that, next third problem you see here. Third question is what is given here. PR minus PQ is given. So I will explain to you that question. Okay. So construction steps is mandatory to you to write. Okay. Third question is here. PQR triangle. QR is equals to 6 centimeters and angle Q is equals to 60 degrees. PR minus PQ is equals to 2 centimeters. Suppose if you consider the triangle as a PQR. Okay. So what is given to us here, whenever you observe this is given QR 6 centimeters. Angle Q is equals to 60 degrees. So this you can draw. This ray you can draw. This ray even you can draw like this. Now, what is given? This length is more than this one. PR minus PQ is given. So here PR का equal length here 1 point S given. Not upwards, downwards. Why? Because here we need the point P. We don't know. We don't know the point P. हमको point P पता नहीं. Somewhere else will be there. But P point and S point will be equal distance from the R. Because whenever you see that P point and S point will be equal distance from R, because we are taking PR is equal to RS. So RS length should be taken equal to the PR. ये P point consider. So ये दोनों का equal length है. So what is given here? PR minus PQ is equals to 2 centimeters is given. So PR length equal to PS I have taken. So PS minus PQ is equals to 2 centimeters. So PS is this one and PQ is this one. So QS is 2 centimeters. That means if you are like this QR, if you take the line segment, here angle you have to draw. And this angle, if you are drawing like this, if you extend from here backwards, 1 point should be taken S. And such that 2 centimeters. Now here, whenever P point, if you want to find out, see here, this, whenever you take into consider this length and this length are equal. Okay, so see here, that is nothing but if you join here S to R. Okay, so S to R you join here. After joining S to R, draw the perpendicular bisector of SR like this. So this is the point. Sorry. P is equal distance from R and S. P is equal distance from R and S. Now, if you see that, if you see here, P is equal distance from R and S. R is not equal distance from P and S. P is equal distance from R and S. So, ये दोनों का equal distance ले लिया. So that means this length and this length are equal. Isn't it? This length and this length are equal, both the lengths. PR and PS. Because perpendicular bisector है. So ये दोनों का perpendicular bisector है, ये दोनों का equal distance में होता है. So that means steps, what you need to do? First you have to take, whenever the rough figure should be compulsory taken, So rough figure means what you have to draw? PR length, this is QR. So P somewhere else, here will be the P. So the given thing is that this is more than length, PR. So wherever it is given to you like that, first you have to draw QR is equal to 6 centimeters. Take the scale, okay? 6 centimeters, sorry. 6 centimeters. QR is equals to 6 centimeters. You have to immediately after drawing. Next, what to do? Can anyone say? Yes. Next, what to do? At the place of Q,
Draw in the 16 degree, 60 degrees.
yes, 60 degrees angle you have to draw. So at the place of Q, 60 degrees. So 60 degrees के लिए mark the point here and you extend it. And still more, if you want, you can extend here. Okay. So this you can take that here x this was qx downwards. Okay. So now here this angle is 60 degrees we have constructed. It is okay. Okay. Now qs is equals to 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters, whatever it is given, that should be taken downwards. So 2 centimeters, take the scale from the 2 centimeters, from here to here 2 centimeters to be taken. Here, this is 2 centimeters. And here you have to mark the point S. Now join S and R. S and R को join. SR perpendicular bisector draw. SR perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector approximately will be like this. So more than half radius. Don't forget that S as a center. More than half radius we have to take. This one compass, like this one arc, like this one arc you get. This one as a center. Two arcs. Okay, and join these two. This is what? It's a perpendicular bisector of the SR, which cuts this QS ray at a point of, you can consider that here XY also you can consider if you want. XY ले लो. So XY line को P point पे cut होता है. So P and R you have to join. And after construction you can verify that this PR length कितना है? 5 centimeters. This QR length also should be 5 centimeters. It is also 5 centimeters. This PR length, QR length should be equal. And this is we have taken Q, PR, PR minus PQ. PQ is equals to 3 centimeters. So P to Q 3 centimeters. Whenever you take this is 3 centimeters. Approximately here we are getting, because while constructing with the compass, it is slipping. Did you understand here? So steps, what you have to write here in this situation? Construction steps. Construction steps. Okay. So construction steps mean what you have to write here? Draw a line segment. Otherwise, simply you can write the line segment. Simple. Draw QR is equals to 6 centimeters. And draw a ray or draw a line XY such that angle RQY is equals to 60 degrees. See, RQY is equal to 60 degrees. Next, join SR. Oh, sorry. First S you have to mark. So mark a point S. Mark a point S on XY such that QS is centimeters towards X. Means ये QS is equal to 2 centimeters mark ले towards the S. S की side से करना है because Y उस तरफ ले लिया है. So that we have to. Otherwise QS is nothing but S here भी ले सकते हैं. So that's why steps in the steps we need to mention properly. So join SR and draw its perpendicular bisector. Draw its perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector which cuts XY line at P. Join PR. Therefore, triangle PQR is required. It is required triangle. PQR is a required triangle. Justification, same justification. So what is the same justification? Here, this point, you consider point T. Triangle PTR, this one. Okay, justification में what do you write here? Justification. By SAS congruency, triangle PTR is congruent to triangle PTS. Therefore, by CPCT, you can say that PR length is equals to PS. PR is equals to PS. So given PR minus PS is equals to 2 centimeters. PR minus PQ is equals to PR place में PS लिखो. PS minus PQ is equals to 2 centimeters. So PS minus PQ is equals to QS. QS is equals to. Why we have taken QS is equals to 2 centimeters? 2 centimeters QS क्यों ले लिया है? So for that justification we need to give. I have explained to you very clearly first. That's why you understood. But while we are constructing, we have not explained it. So that's why in the justification you need to give it very clear. Okay? Did you understand or any doubt you are having?
Clear, sir.
Clear, है ना? So next question, fourth question here. Perimeter of the triangle is given and base angles are given. Actually, this question is deleted from your syllabus here, but you try to know. Just I will explain to you because this construction also better you know that. How do we construct when the perimeter is given and what is the logic behind it? Okay. Question number 4. Construct the triangle XYZ and it is given that angle Y is equals to 30 degrees, angle Z is equals to 90 degrees. Y and Z given, base angles consider for X ऊपर है and the thing is given XY plus YZ plus ZX is equals to 11 centimeters. Okay, just from the back side onwards, let us learn this. How do we construct it? See here, this is a triangle XYZ, let us assume. XYZ. इसका equal length here construct कर. This, you just imagine that this line is place it here like this. Same length here. So let us assume this here it is some other point A. Ya is equals to Ax. This one is turned like this. Here point B. Did you understand here what I did? Here the equal length here. So that is nothing but this length is equal to this one. This length is equal to this one. Now here we are having the total length that is given to you, because A length plus A length plus this length is equal to 11 is given to you. So this total length is 11. We can construct the line, but we don't know the Y here. We don't know the Z where it is when you draw the line. Very line segment 11 centimeters when you draw. But you know that here, you see here, these two lengths are equal. So that is nothing but A point and A point ज्वाइन कर लो. ये दोनों का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में y होगा ना, y होगा ना, ये दोनों का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में y होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग,
Yes, sir.
y एंगल कितना दे दिया है? 30 degrees is given. y 30 degrees is given. So when the y is 30 degrees, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to, in this triangle, sum of the interior opposite angles, isn't it? ये दोनों का sum को equal, and these two angles are equal in length. Why? Because these two sides are equal. So that is nothing but ये कितना है? 15 centimeters होगा. ये 15 centimeters. So here 15 centimeters you can draw the angle. Half of the given angle y. 15 centimeters you can draw the angle. ये लाइन आ जाएगा हम. ये लाइन आने के बाद बट x we don't know. पूरा फर्स्ट ये लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिया. First ये लाइन we have drawn like this. And here whatever the angle is given, उसमें half the angle बीच में ड्रॉ कर. But we don't know the point x here. हमको x पता चल गया, तो x को ज्वाइन करने के बाद ये दोनों का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, the perpendicular bisector of the ax will cut the AB at a point y, isn't it? So in the same way here z is given to you as 90 degrees. So ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर लो. Imagine, so this angle will be how much? 45 degrees. This will be 45 degrees. So you can draw lines, this AB here 45 degrees, sorry here 15 degrees, here 45 degrees. These two will intersect at a point x. हमको x आ गया, और ये एंड x ज्वाइन कर लो. इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रा. इट कट्स द AB at a point y. एंड px ज्वाइन करो, इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रा. इट कट्स द z at a point, sorry, it cuts the AB at a point z. We got it. So now this is a backwards, from the backwards angles, rough figure taken, and I have explained it. Now how do we construct? Let us see. Construction कैसे कर सकते हैं? So first you have to take any line segment which is equal to the perimeter. Either you can take AB or any other one. So I am taking here, which is given to you 11 centimeters. So 11 centimeters line draw. A, B. This is 11 centimeters given perimeter. Perimeter features. Now what to do here? At the point of A, what angle to be constructed? Half of the x. Sorry, half of the y. Y angle whatever it is given, इसमें half construct. Half of the y कितना है?
15 degrees.
So yes, 15 degrees angle I am marking here. ये 10 है. This is 10. This is 15. Like this. Here you get. So let us join these two. Like this. And at the point of B, 45 degrees. At the point of B here, 45 degrees. Why do we get here 45? This is exterior angle. This triangle you see here, like this we are having a triangle. This equal to this one. So this angle equal to this angle. ये exterior angle. This exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite. ये दोनों equal. So this is 45. This is 45 होता है तो then this is 90. This figure is wrong. Because 90 degrees rough figure we have to take it. 90 degrees, ये 90 degrees नहीं है. 90 degrees बोले तो like this you should have. So rough figure, so that's why I have not constructed it in a proper way. And that point also you have to keep in your mind, please. and you have to identify that. We need to get a 90 degrees there. So at the point of B, 45 degrees. Now you see here most of the students will do the mistake. Every time inner scale taking na, so 45 degrees बोल के ये 45 इधर mark. Confusion. So here do remember, when you see that the line is this one, towards this. So towards this line, 0 where you are having outer scale में 45 degrees observe करना. Okay, so here see, line is center here, line is this side, so here 45 degrees you need to mark the 45 degrees point here, and ये दोनों को join these two. If you want, you mark the points as a, while writing the construction steps, if you want, right? Some other point B, A, C ले लो, here D ले लो. So BAC is equal to 15 degrees, ABD is equal to 45 degrees. These 2 points are intersected at a point X. Now what to do? X आ गया, Y and Z will be here, Z will be here, Y will be approximately here. What to do? Y आने के लिए what to do? Y is equal distance from A and X. A X का equal distance में है, इधर से इधर equal distance में. So what to do? Anyone?
Draw a perpendicular bisector of
AX.
on
AX का perpendicular bisector. A as a center. Here more than half radius. One arc here and another arc here. This one as a center. Here actually this is slipping here. Arcs I am drawing here. This one as a center. Here one arc. Here one. Approximately I am drawing, and these two will join. So we are going to get a point Y here. And perpendicular bisector of the BX ka perpendicular bisector. So here one arc, you get this one, here one arc, here. So approximately perpendicular bisector will be like this. So it is intersecting at the point of Z. ये X and Z join करो, X and Y join करो. This X, Y, Z is required triangle CZ is equal to 45 degrees. समझ में आया? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, let us move to the next question. Steps here, I think it is, you can write here. In the what way we have constructed, in the same way you try to write the steps here. Okay, main logic you need to understand here. Logic, if you understand, then it is an easy task. The last question, fifth question here, it is given, you know. This exercise, construct a right angle triangle. Every time, whenever you do the construction, assumption is very important, and rough figure is very important. You need to take the rough figure into consideration. Right angle triangle whose base is 12 cm, and sum of the hypotenuse and the other side is. So that is nothing but any right angle triangle. A, B, C. Angle B 90 degrees considered. BC is given. Or if you take here, if you get confused, like this also, it doesn't. A, B, C. BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Angle B 90 degrees. And sum of these two sides is given. Sum of the hypotenuse and other side. ये दोनों का sum is given. Can you do it? First problem की जैसा. Sum of the two sides whenever it is given. Angle is given to you B. What to do? First, just explain करता हूँ. First, you have to draw BC line segment which is given to you 12 centimeters. At the place of angle B, 90 degrees you have to draw. With a protractor you can draw angle B. Now what is given? Sum of the other two sides is given. Actually, ये AC को उधर ऊपर लेके जाना है, like this. इसका equal length इधर ड्रॉ करना है. So this total is given to us. So ये दोनों का perpendicular bisector में ये होगा. So that is nothing but 18 centimeters you have to mark here. Suppose the figure, approximate figure will be like this. Suppose BC is equals to 12 centimeters. And 18 centimeters का place में you have to mark a point X, some other one, and join these two. ये दोनों का perpendicular bisector था. The perpendicular bisector of these two approximately like this you are going to get. Like this. So this is the point A. Now this length and this length will be equal. So first problem, just like a first problem only, but it is given to you in something. Instead of giving the measurements directly, in a word it is given. Words में दे दूंगा. Okay? समझ में आया ना? So this is the constructions you are having. Please here, if you do the constructions yourself, then only you can immediately today itself you do the construction. By listening, you are not going to understand this one.